There, now it's working.
Okay. My 6th birthday. Remember those?
Yeah. You gonna fix your buckle, babe? Babe, you gotta move. There's a bee. There's a bee. Over here. Are we gonna go in the water? Ooh.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, is that black?
Seashell? Here, say hi to Mr. Cruz. Mr. Cruz! Just kidding. Come on, just kidding, come on.
Yeah, look at the indent of the water. When you step. Let me see, Lonnie. Lonnie. Oh, that's freezing. Go in the water.
No.
They're filming it, but you wanted to go in it. See all the little gold pieces in it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's too cool.
Yeah.
Each year, the university bestows scholastic honors upon undergraduate candidates whose academic excellence has consistently been recognized by the faculty. We have designed in our program those candidates, or designated, those candidates who have received special recognition for high scholastic achievement. Will the undergraduate graduating cum laude, magna cum laude, and summa cum laude please stand if you are able? Wave your hand or otherwise. studies. Will the undergraduates selected for memberships in an honor society please stand if you're able, wave your hand or otherwise indicate your presence so that we may recognize you.
Thank you, Dean Myers. Graduates, you did it. Let's make some noise. Will doctorate candidates in audiology, candidates for the master's degrees and bachelor's degrees, please rise and remain standing if you're able. President Wood, on behalf of Sacramento State College of Health and Human Services faculty, it is my privilege to approve and recommend these students assembled before you as candidates for the degrees set forth under the requirements prescribed by the trustees of the California State University.
Of the Provost on behalf of the Dean and the faculty of the College of Health and Human Services. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the California State University, and upon recommendation of the Provost, I confer upon each of you the appropriate doctorate, master's, and bachelor's degrees with all of the honors, privileges, and responsibilities thereto pertaining. You just graduated. And we're going to do it together, so don't do it yet. I'm going to count to 3, we'll do it. Let me tell you what we're going to do. We're going to move the tassel on your cap from the right side to the left side. So if you got it on the wrong side right now, you get to see side needs to be. And as you're doing that, just know that this is a gesture that carries immense significance. It symbolizes the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and growth. So we're going to get ready to move on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You may now be seated for a moment. We ask that all graduates stay in their seats as the platform party exits the stage, then follow row by row for an orderly exit, starting from the front, as instructed by your faculty marshals and commencement ambassadors. Congratulations once again to the graduating class of 2024. Students up!
Congratulations to the master's degree graduates. We now move forward with the presentation of bachelor's degree candidates.
Garcia, Aramis Castañeda, Heinrich Garcia Reyes, Juan Manuel Gutierrez.
Let's go, Juan!
Madison L. Crawford, Ava Jane Campbell, Lisa Lay, Texana Sarah Munsabag, Ella Kalai, Lily Eagleson, Shannon E. Small, Michelle Mate Cantrell,
Thank you for letting me see.
Jennifer Carino Baltazar, Fatima Reyes Olivera, Tadia Gabriela Espinosa, Argelia Jauregui, Emily Mia Ito, Alyssa Marie Southwick, Chloe May Valdez, Menard Talia, Holly Ann Johnson, Irina Fedinchik, Abigail Lee Jesus, Janelle Victoria Sandoval Miller, Angela Leslie Ezzy, Claudia Isabella Tanner, Shanny Grace Burke, Zakara Latrice Dinkins, Maddie Nelson, Lynn Ingerard, Dondrika McGee, Michelle Sanchez, Tressa Marie Brown, Mariah Marie Moreno, Emily Castañeda, Kennedy Taylor Vaughn, Becky T. Hunter, Kiera Cooper, Linnea Rochelle Umel, Rosanna Kamal Asuki, Emily Rockley, Shelby May Lloyd, Anais Zelaya, Gerard Tomanin de Jesus, Julianne Monique Soto,
Let's go, Joey!
Caroline Garcia Nirmi Jamal Abu Shamsi, Suna Abu Jun, Alexis Joy Obligor, Emily Delgadillo, Kristen Alicia Lazar, Jasmine Owen, Jamesetta Johnson, Elena Chodula, Claudine Lopez Zamora, Aishlin.
Carlos Nevares, Provost of Sacramento State. We start with the land acknowledgement. We begin this ceremony with the recognition that the land, our campus, and Golden One Center are on today was and continues to be the homelands of the indigenous people of this area. The Nissan, Hawaiian, Nisenan, and Miwok. Historically, the largest Sacramento area and its rivers served as a gathering place for many local tribes from the surrounding valley and foothills, including the southern Aidu, Atwood, and Winton. Sacramento State recognizes these lands and riverways as unceded traditional territories of these native people. We further recognize these California Native nations and respect their sovereignty. By offering this land acknowledgement, we affirm the university's commitment to build relationships and foster a university environment of success to better serve Native nations and communities. I now ask that the audience please rise, if you're able, for the singing of the national anthem, performed by one of our own.
Go ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs, and party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baca got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 that fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga?
Chicken and beef. This one for you.
Yeah.
And you want chicken and shrimp? Yeah. Yeah, for a chicken. Oh, honey, I had to make sure for a chicken.
Thank
You
you.
come in. Wait. The chicken coming. Sorry, but go kill chicken first. They run out chicken. One right there.
That's good.
That's some bomb shit. Really?
No.
Are you sure? You don't want money back?
It's good. That's good.
Okay, tell everybody where you're from.
From Stockton.
From Stockton, okay? You don't want money back, right?
Nope, this is good.
Oh, chicken in. Sorry, you have to stop and go and eat. Thank you, honey. Okay, for here, right?
Yeah.
Diet. Okay. This one, honey, you hold this one and your chicken and beef. This one for you.
Yeah.
And you want chicken and shrimp? Yeah. Yeah, for a chicken. Oh, honey, I had to make sure for a chicken.
Thank
You
you.
come in. Wait. The chicken coming. Sorry, but go kill chicken first. They run out chicken. One right there.
That's good.
That's some bomb shit. Really?
No.
Are you sure? You don't want money back?
It's good. That's good.
Okay, tell everybody where you're from.
From Stockton.
From Stockton, okay? You don't want money back, right?
Nope, this is good.
Oh, chicken in. Sorry, you have to stop and go and eat. Thank you, honey. Okay, for here, right?
Yeah.
Diet. Okay. This one, honey, you hold this one and your.
Yeah. Okay, we're at Mark's Kitchen, made famous on TikTok. We're gonna go try this out, see if it's as good as they say. So, I'll let you know once we're inside.
Number 7, bring your ass right here. You wait. You know what the fuck? You come too far. You're number 7, right?
Number 7.
Which one for you? The extra spicy or is it?
Mine's the spicy one.
They're both spicy.
Oh, mine's the one with the,
Okay, who got the?
that's yours.
Okay. Hold on. Chicken and beef. This one for you.
Yeah.
And you want chicken and shrimp?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct chicken. Oh, honey, I have to make sure correction. You coming? Wait. She coming. Sorry, they go kill chicken first. They run out chicken. One right there.
That's good.
Bomb in the shack.
Really?
No.
Are you sure? You don't want money back?
It's good. That's good.
Okay, tell everybody where the hell you from.
From Stockton.
From Stockton, okay? You don't want money back, right?
Nope, this is good.
Oh, keep it in. Sorry, you have to stop and go and eat. Thank you, honey.